hapon, Jumerica! Magandang hapon sa mga Inday tayo. Ngayon mga Inday, lalawas tayo. Kasama si Jusawa at si Bibi Kano. Ayan yung attire ni Bibi Kano day, naka-jacket day. Kumakanta si Bibi Kano mga Inday. Yung asawa ko nakabihis na din, nandyan yung Jusawa natin.
Ling ling.
Ling ling. Sabi ng asawa ko, ling ling daw siya. And then, let's go mga Inday, isasama ko kayo. But I need to get my sandals love. And shoes. Asher, we're gonna put your shoe. You still have no shoe. Yay. Tingnan nyo, naglalaro sa microphone tong batong-batong ta, day. Naglalaro si Bibi Kano, day. Now, we gonna put your shoes. Dali na, shoes. Lalagyan ko muna ito ng sapatos, day. We're gonna put your shoes. Yeah, that's right, bata. We'll put your shoes. Put your shoes. Come here. Kaya natin yung sapatos niya, day. Yeah, that's right, Asher. Other one. Dahil hindi siya masyadong malamig today, day. So, okay lang na ganito yung aurahan ko, day. Ano siya, maulan siya, day. Kanina pa tong umaga, ulan na sa amin dito. But hindi siya yung super na malamig. Kaya okay lang talaga na ganito yung aurahan natin. So, tapos na sa and then, maglagay tayo ng sandals, day. So, ito yung sandals natin, mga Inday. Yung ato socks natin, day. May socks tayo. Yeah, that's right. Tayo mga Inday, nakasandal na tayo. Let's go na, Asher. Let's go na. We'll go na. You off that one na. We'll ride in the car na. Okay. Tapos na tayo mga Inday. I-off na natin to. And then, let's go na. Ayun na. Papa is there na. Okay, you go na. Na, tumatakbo na dayo. Tumatakbo na yung bata. Bakita natin. Papa? Yung papa niya nasa toilet pa day. Nak, ambil ka dong bag nga brown, nak. Nak, bag na nga brown, nak, ambinak. Dahil dyan lang tayo sa malapit, day. Babalik naman kami. Madali lang kami, day ba? Madali ang lakad lang itong mga Inday. So, lagay natin itong bag natin. Wait a minute, nak. Wait a minute. Need to put on the bag. Okay. Wait! Yung cellphone natin. Mama will get my phone. Lagay natin itong cellphone, day. By the way, mga Inday, may nag-comment sa video ko, day. Sabi niya doon sa comment, day, isasabi ko sa iyo ha, marites ko sa inyo mga Inday. Sabi niya doon sa comment, ayusin ko daw yung English nga. Ayusin ko daw yung English ko mga Inday sa pagsalita. Dapat daw fluent daw yung English ko. And then aayusin ko daw yung Tagalog ko. Yan yung comment niya doon sa isa, I think sa bagong video ko mga Inday, before i-upload ko dahil tingnan yung mga Inday. And then sinagot ko siya mga Inday, sabi ko doon na dito sa Amerika, hindi pala, sabi ko sabi ko sa response, okay, it's okay lang na hindi fluent yung English ko, basta magkaintindihan kami mag-asawa. Yun yung pinaka-importante. And then yung Tagalog ko, I'm trying my best to speak Tagalog kasi hindi talaga ako Tagalog. Bisaya tayo, day. And then nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog dito sa vlog ko para magkaintindihan tayong lahat. So para yan sa inyo mga Tagalog, para maintindihan nyo ako mga Inday. Kasi kapag magsalita ako ng Bisaya, may mga Tagalog na mga ka-Inday natin dyan na hindi sila makaintindi ng Bisaya. So I do this one para makaintindihan o para maintindihan ako ng mga Tagalog also. Kaya nga yung ating vlog ay mix-mix. May Bisaya, may Tagalog, may English. Bata natin nandyan. Are you ready? Are you ready? What you can say, my love? There's someone commenting one of my video in YouTube. She said, I need to speak fluent English and then I need to speak fluent Tagalog also. That is what she said. And then I respond, it's okay, I'm not fluent speaking English, as long as we can understand each other, that is the most important. And then the second one, why I speak Tagalog, so that so that the Tagalog people there can understand me. So something like I'm the one doing this so that everybody can understand.
You just don't worry about it, love. Everybody's a critic.
What you say?
I said everybody's a critic.
So I will just don't care.
No, you just don't care.
Yun yung sabi ng asawa ko, Day. Hindi ko na lang daw i-entertain ang mga tao na ganyan. Kahit anong gagawin mo, Day, may masasabi talaga kapag ikaw ay basher, kapag ikaw ay negative sa buhay. So let's go na tayo mga Inday. Huy,
You off.
Microphone. Nak, ato na minak. Go, friends. Let's go. Ay, the hat of Asher, love. Nak, yung kalo ng kapatid mo, nak, na brown. Yun, nasa bed. Turo-turo nasa bed, oh. Kalo niya. Nasa bed. Okay, thank you. Ayo, Ichano. Maligo ka. Prince, palaguton. Kunin mo, Prince, perminti, Prince ba? Ay, naku. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi siya ba, itsa. Wag itapon sa akin. Ang lapit lang naman. And then, niya talaga, day. Tinatapon niya papunta sa akin, day. Ay, iwan ko nga. Patient. I need to be patient. So, let's go, mga Inday. Yeah. Yung papa niya, nandyan yung papa niya. Still raining, love? Still raining.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ilagay ko to si baby Kano sa sasakyan. Mga Inday, nandito na tayo sa sasakyan, mga Inday. It's foggy, the mirror. Foggy. Iba talaga dahil kung may cash ka sa bulsa mo, mga Kasi i-grocery. I-grocery.
How you doing back there, Asher?
Asher, how are you doing?
No, you gotta put on your purse.
I don't want to hold Nani, Gani. I'm allergy. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, I am allergy to the money. I don't want to hold. Kasi day, madali lang talaga ako makaano day, what we call it na madali ako makalimot day ba? Kaya ayaw ko humawak ng pera sa ano day, sa akin. Kasi madali lang talaga ako makalimot. Iwan ko ba? Lots of people there. Red Lobster Restaurant.
Yeah, you set that money back down.
What money back down? Yeah, because I don't want to lose it. You know me, my brain. It's easy to lose. Sabi ko sa asawa, ko dahil bakit daw nilagay ko, pinalik ko yung my love.
Nice to get it.
Bakit ko daw binalik yung pera dito dahil sa baba dahil sabi ko sa kanya, and then sabi ko sa kanya dahil is you know me, yung utak ko madaling makalimot. Yay, where we go, love? The road here is crazy, love.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Pretty bad road. Nandito tayo sa super highway guys. Super highway. Oy, why you break there? Day, magagalit naman ito yung mga basher day kasi yung English ko day. Bahala kayo dyan, mag-bash kayo ng mag-bash. I don't care talaga. Basta importante, magkaintindihan kami ng Diyosawa ko day. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. Ang bilis, magpatakbo ng Diyosawa ko day eh.
Wow, another car.
Oh, broken car. Oh, that's so sad. You know, your car is broken in that highway. Day, apat na yung sasakyan day na nakita namin so far na ano day, nasiraan sila day. Ay, Ginoo. Aday, gutom na ako day eh. Diet pa mo. Kasi gusto ko talaga day, malaki kasi yung bilbil ko day ba. And gusto kong iliit yung bilbil natin day. Ay, ganyan talaga day. Kailangan mo magsakripisyo. Kung mayroon kang gustong maabot, kailangan mo talagang danasan or danasin to. Oh, sa mga nagbas dyan sa Tagalog ko, pasensya na kayo. Bisaya tayo here. Corona Road. Smart clock. This one? I think the front of it. Not to film this one, lots of overbridge. Rain, go away, come back in another day. Rain, go away. Go away, Bristol Road.
Electric Hummer.
Oh. Whoa, can I borrow, please?
100% electric.
Wow.
Yeah.
Remember, that is the car, love, when we are in the Philippines, you know, the two Hummer in our back, we are riding the scooter, remember? And then they are horning. Sterling Homes. Sterlings. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, we are in the Meyer. Meyer. Where is this one lang? Meyer, what is the, the name? Plant? Meyer Plant?
Hill Road.
Hill Road.
Yeah.
Meyer. We are Meyer Hill Road. Kasi ang dami kasing Meyer dito, Day. So kaya tinanong ko sa asawa ko kung anong pangalan ng lugar. Meyer Hill Road. Day, ang daming tao, Day. Hala. Ano na? Ang daming sasakyan. Lots of cars, my love.
Yeah, they're pretty bad.
Oh, there's a lot of people inside.
Yeah. They're gonna look at you and be like, "That's a Filipino wearing a sundress."
I don't care.
56-degree weather.
It's not cold.
56.
Yeah, it's not cold. It's,
Not warm.
yeah, it's like you are in the freezer. Ay, in the freezer. You are look like you are in the what they call that lab aircon. See? You are look like you are in the aircon. So it's okay. Halala, they are wearing jacket. Me, I'm wearing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, love. You're a Filipino, dressed up like you're in the Philippines.
I miss wearing like this gani. It's been a long time that you are wearing summer dress. That's why I want to buy more dresses there in the what they call of that lab. I forgot na. What is that the name? Play-to closet. And then I said to myself, I'm gonna stop myself for now. I will give this to my bana. So that my bana can have t-shirts. Oh, grandpa is there. Oh, grandpa. Grandpa, hi
I don't
grandpa.
see anything happening here, so
Yeah.
let's just put this on the row where the door's at.
Distribution notice in the public.
Huh?
It's okay here to park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Let's
not
go.
that spot there.
Only that spot there. For the push cart.
Yeah, that's right.
Yay, Asher!
that's right,
We are
Asher.
here! Yay! Yeah, we are here, bata! We are here! Mama will get you! Let's go, mga inday. Tara na, love! Let's go na! It's raining! Yay! Full pack ang mga day. Ang park. Yung park area. Full pack. Oh. Ang daming sasakyan day. Oh. Full pack talaga day. Sila day nag-wear og jacket. Ako day nakadress ko ani day. Bahala sila day. I don't care. I don't care. They will look at me. I don't care.
This place is packed.
Yeah. It's nice to do model here. Modeling career. Modeling career. Hey, we're gonna be wet. We're gonna be wet. Yay! Yay! Pasok na tayo dayo. Pasok na tayo. Yay! 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 Mag-ampo na. We're gonna get the cart. Cart. Eh, akala ko nawala na yung asawa ko dahil nandyan lang pala. May avocado tayo mga inday. Ngayon, bili kami. Ay, hindi ko natali lang. Ano tayo ng banana, guys? Kuha tayo ng banana. Bananas. 99 cents. Ay, mga banana. Ito na. Ito na lang din. That's right, Asher. You talk. Yeah. We are not talking now.
Yeah, he's getting stubborn about the camera. He sees it go on now, and he's just like, no, I'm not gonna.
If there's camera, he's not talking.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Asher, that's not good, Asher. You need to talk more.
No, he says I'm not performing for you.
Ay. Your ano love, your band love.
Right here.
Oh, it's cheap here, my love. It's $3 only. $3.69. It's cheap.
Yeah, there's no point in overbuying. They just
Yeah,
say,
no need. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I want the gold one. It's 2 for $5 mga inday. Dari oh. 2 for $5. Wait, shish. Papa is there. Ching. Tara, let's go na, let's go. Let's go. You're like Papa na, Asher. Shilton, you look like Papa na. Ay, shish. Ang bataan. They are not the same. $5. Skills. 5, 2, 4, $4. $1.99. Mga inday, lalabas na kami. Lalabas na
What
kami.
you doing with your little hat?
Mga inday, nandito na kami sa labas mga inday. Sobrang daming tao kasi day, Easter pala day. Easter dito sa amin. That's why. Diba Asher? Shilton, talaga ni Asher day. Oh, binilhan ng papa niya kalo day. Para daw siyang papa niya na day. Kasi yung papa niya palagi nakasuot ng sombrero. You are look like your papa na. Ang daming tao day talaga day. Full pack yung parking lot. Full pack lahat. Full pack. Yeah, where is our car love?
Okay, then.
I remember there is a like that. I know. I see it na here. Okay, let's go. We are here. Tukunin ko na si Asher mga inday. Ay, yung bata-batuta natin day. Nakaupo na yung bata natin day. Yeah, you are like Lupapa. Tutulungan natin yung jusawa ko day. Okay, umana tapos na pala day.
Look at how good this idea was.
Oh, there you go. Nasa gilid lang yung lagayan ng pushcart. Pushcart pala. Pasok na tayo. Yay! We are here. We are here. We are there. We are here. Agaray. Let's go. I'm hungry na. I'm hungry. Okay. Let's go. Oh, full pack. Oh, grandma. Small grandma. Oopsie. That's good.
Yeah. Look what it is.
It's like a boat. That one Balabo, that is a hotel, yacht,
Yeah.
yacht hotel. Mga Inday, punta tayo sa restaurant, day. This date talaga ito, day. Hindi ito date lang, day. Punta tayo sa restaurant. Nandiyan na bibi ka no. Sobrang ulan. Hi! Nandiyan, day. Pasok tayo. Uy. Super cold. It's not cold, but it's raining. Dito feel my love. You want water tea? You are thirsty? Bata na mo eh. Si Asher tayo pa nagpakis talaga si Asher. Kaya tingnan nyo. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Dahil nandito kami sa buffet. Eat-ulyukan mga Inday. Uy, ginoo ko. Nagda-diet ako dahil pero nandito kami sa eat-ulyukan. Paano ka makadiet nito? Ang daming pagkain. Ang sasarap pa day. Okay. We will go next time. We will go here next time with Kuya Fuji. Kuya Fuji, okay? Hindi po. Ay, patay. Kasi yung anak ko may trabaho. Pupunta kami dito kapag walang trabaho yung anak ko. And then walang pasok yung anak ko isa day. Mura lang siya day. Mura lang siya day. Ang nabayaran namin is $50. Dalawa kami ng asawa ko. So kung apat kami is $100. Ay medyo mahal din day. Kasi $100 is like 5,000 pesos sa atin. Depende sa dollar. But mura na yan dito day. Yeah, that's right, Uncle. Yeah. Shout gani. Inihintay na lang namin yung papa niya day, and then after nandito na yung papa niya, and then it's my turn naman na magkuha ng pagkain. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Papa. Magkuha ng pagkain yung papa niya day. Ang daming tao day. Kaya pala Easter dito sa amin. Kaya pala madaming tao lumalabas kahit maulan day. Mga inday, nandito na kami sa bahay mga inday. Nakaabot na din kami sa wakas day. Oh my God day, sobrang busog namin doon day. It's eat all you can mga inday, it's buffet. And then, alam nyo ba mga inday, may nangyari kay Bibi Kano doon. Alam nyo ba, nagsuka si Bibi Kano sa sobrang busog mga inday. Medyo madami-dami yung nasuka niya dahil pero I think tayo hindi niya nasuka lahat. But basta nagsuka si Bibi Kano doon sa sobrang busog niya mga inday. And then yung asawa ko sobrang busog namin day. Pero yung ano nila day, yung buffet first time ko makapasok doon day, ang buffet nila is ano, yung ulam is hindi gaano kadami yung choices. But ang may mga salad din sila, and then may mga dessert sila, may carrot cake, may mga iba't ibang cake mga inday, yun ba? Pero masarap siya day, and then hindi talaga maganda siya sa diet day. Kung gusto mong mag-lose ng weight, wala, hindi ka pwede hindi ka pwede mag-diet doon day. So, hindi masyadong madami yung kinain ko mga inday, pero busog pa din ako day. Hindi ako kumain, ang kinain ko doon day, yung mga pagkain na hindi ko masyadong nakain pa. So, it's been a good day. Yeah, namin day. And then sabi ko sa asawa ko, next time love, kapag walang trabaho yung anak ko na panganay, maganda doon kumain lahat, buong pamilya ba. Ang nabayaran namin dahil dalawa kami kasi si Bibi Kano baby pa naman. So ang nabayaran namin dalawa is like $50 yung nabayaran namin. So sa piso dyan is like 2,600 pesos. So, kung apat kami dahil mababayaran namin like 5,000 plus yung babayaran namin kung apat kami doon kakain. So, yan lang yung ating kaganapan for today mga inday. Please don't forget to like, share, to like and subscribe our YouTube channel mga inday. Please tulungan nyo kami na monetize mga inday. Hindi pa din kami monetize. And thank you for watching mga inday, mga dudong. What you gonna say? Have a good day. What you say? Have a good day everyone and have a good night. Thank you for watching. Bye. Share, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Ayun, natulala. Huy! May tinitingnan siya doon sa kalsada.